If you could please bring the sacred chicken down to the end. All right. So here are the rules. Okay, are you listening? No scratching, no biting, no hair pulling. Those are the rules. All right, that's it. That's it, that's all, okay? And the first one to the chicken wins the race. Hang on, we got to get the tractor out of the way first, okay? Because one thing that, all right, are we ready? Okay, hold on. Now mark my words, folks, okay? Not everybody believes this, but I have a feeling that you are all with me. One day, in the not too distant future, this will be an Olympic event. Hold on, girls, hang on, all right? Okay, back up the hill, that's it. All right. Is the dead chicken there? It is dead. It is shaved. Okay, hang on. Did you sign a waiver? Oh, you got to sign a waiver. In the trailer. I don't know if. Hold on. What are you saying? No more? Well, we have one more that wants to get in here. Wow. You know, this really gives me a predicament here. I think I can either. What's that? Okay, hang on a sec here. What's this song here?
Right there.
She have a staff shirt on. Wrapped around her waist. Yeah, it's wrapped around her waist.
All right, here we go. Are you ready?
Whatever.
On your mark.
On the bag.
Get set.
Go.
What time is it anyway? Anybody know what time it is? Go! Oh! All right. Here's my Darrell Wells. All right, and here we go here. In the lead. Here she comes. And it's bun on her hair. Bun hair in the lead here. Coming up second, bun hair and blue top in the second place here. Coming strongly in third place and challenging is Cirilla. Cirilla challenging for second place. Blonde haired girl went on top in the lead right now. Cirilla behind by 3 lengths. Catching up strongly as she goes over the second mound. Bun girl with the blue top in third place. Short brown hair girl with the purpley top in 4th place and coming on strong, trying to take over. She now moves up into third, and we got Cirilla in the lead. Blonde-haired, bun-haired girl in 2nd place. Brown-haired bun girl with the blue top in 3rd. Brown-haired girl with the multicolored top in 4th place still and closing. And now we've got blonde-haired, bun-haired girl with the red thong. The thong. I can't talk anymore. No, Cirilla's in the lead. Cirilla got the chicken? Sorry, I was looking at 5th place. I don't know why. Oh, I can't believe they pay me for this. All right. Oh, hey! After all that, you guys got nothing to say? What do you say for the chicken race? Come on, let me hear ya! There we go. Man, if you ain't in the mood now, it ain't gonna happen. Come on. Let's do it one more time. What do you say for the girls? Let me hear ya! I think you're getting with me now. All right. I got to interview the winner. I gotta come down here and interview. Here you go. You want a shotgun of beer? I tell you what you get. You are the proud owner of 2 bright red beer money for later, crispy red $50 bills. Give her a big round of applause, folks. Sedilla, Gillingham, Priscilla, don't say my last name. Whatever. All right. Okay.